What's the recovery procedure as it relates to dental implants? With regards to dental implants, many have questions about their recovery. Dental implants are an extremely popular and reliable solution for replacing missing teeth. The process for recovering is different for each patient's specific circumstance. The video below will examine what the healing process can be after receiving dental implants, as well as what you are likely to experience in this period. 1. Following the operation, you should immediately get back to work. Following your dental implant procedure, it is possible to experience pain and swelling. It's normal and is manageable with over-the-counter medicine for pain. A dentist might also prescribe prescription pain medications if necessary. You must comply with your dentist's post-operative guidelines in order to make sure that the healing process is complete. At this point, you should follow a low-fat diet in order to prevent putting stress on the area of implant. 2. The healing process and the osseointegration. The second step in the process of healing involves healing and osseointegration process of the dental implant. This is the procedure in which the implant joins the jawbone and provides solid foundations to the tooth replacement. It can take a number of months. In the meantime, it is necessary to keep periodic sessions with your dentist in order to observe the process of healing. 3. Temporary repair. In some instances, dental professionals may offer temporary crowns while the implant heals. This will help maintain the aesthetics and appearance of your smile whilst waiting for your permanent restoration to be fabricated. It's important to maintain the temporary restoration and to avoid the habit of chewing or biting at it excessively. 4. Permanent crown placement. When the implant is fully healing and has osseointegrated to the jawbone, your dentist can install the crown permanently. It is designed in order to complement the appearance, color, and the size of your normal teeth. It will give you a seamless and natural look. Your dentist will check the crown fits correctly and feels comfortable prior to setting it. 5. Care postoperative. When the crown has permanently been fitted, it's crucial to follow proper oral hygiene habits to keep the health of the implant. That means flossing and brushing often, in addition to regularly attending dental checks and dental cleanings. A dentist could also suggest making use of a mouthwash that is specially designed or other dental instruments to keep your dental implant clean and free of plaque. 6. Maintenance for the long term. Dental implants are intended to provide a lasting option for people who have lost their teeth. When properly cared for and maintained implants, they are able to last a lifetime. You must follow the advice of your dentist regarding dental hygiene. You should also plan regular follow-up appointments in order to assess the health of your dental implant. If you encounter any difficulties related to your implant, for example, pain, swelling, or chewing difficulties, it is essential to consult your dentist as fast to get an assessment. Recovering after receiving dental implants takes a long time, one that takes patience and the right maintenance. Following instructions from your dentist post-operatively, as well as maintaining proper oral hygiene to ensure durability and success of the dental implant. If you have any queries or questions about the recovery process, don't delay in contacting your dentist for advice as well as assistance.